But what do you see when you close your eyes? An empty station with no one to judge you. A sudden rain that changes the atmosphere inside you. A long journey to some unknown road which leads to a little climb to experience the beauty of an unknown lake surrounded by mountains. Or another lake whose beauty you cannot explain. Or another, this time magically shaped as an heart, which nobody noticed before. And suddenly you start flying, not in the sky, but on top of a mountain, like a flag of pride, where your every breath reminds you of those flowers you have never seen, those faces you have never met, the language you have never heard, and those monsters were just created by those amazing artists. Like that amazing mountain, or that experience you had on the chest of that huge waterfall, or that peace after the war, or maybe that beautiful sunset ending the day.
I know your voice, I know your face. This is something I cannot replace. Gave me hope and gave me doubt. Well, I loved you then, but I don't love you now. I'm a long way from home. 'Cause we're a long way from home.
So what do you see when you close your eyes?
Now listen up, don't walk away.